Ano itsura ng loob? Pa-open. Tingnan ko ang itsura. Ito na sila. Ay, tinayo na uli. Si Kuya Matt, si Kuya Gab, of course, the Madam,
Ate Mama.
Karga. Tingin. Oh wow. So many stuff. May saging, may may ice bucket. May ice bucket, may kumot. May luggage. May kumot. May luggage, may tuwalya, may pinya, labahan, may favorite mangga. Ang tuyo nandito sa loob. Sinarado ko kasi mangangamoy. Okay. Hi guys.
Hi. Goodbye.
How are you? How's the trip? How's your road trip?
Good.
Good.
Yes. Hi. We in the road trip right now.
We're going back. We're going back where? We're heading back to
To Daddy's Leyte.
No, we're going back to Mama's hometown, which is
Punta ni Mama.
what's the hometown of Mama?
Bicol.
Bicol.
The
That's it for today, guys.